File ownership in Linux. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you about file ownership in Linux and why this matters. Now let us create a file for this tutorial. Let us call it this file.txt and let us check the file. So when we speak of who owns files on Linux, so these are what we are talking about. So these are first group it's about the permissions that the owners and the users have to this very file. However, now we are talking about who owns the file and who has the ability or to change the file. Looking at this very entry, here we can see the owner ID and we can see the group ID, right? So this means that this is the owner of this very file. So what we want to do now is to change the ownership of this file and give it to someone else. For example, let us use sudo and use the command change owner. So let us give this ownership to team, then the name of the file. It's asking me for my credentials. Now let us check the file again. So as you can see, the owner of this very file now has changed to team, right? So if you want, you can also change the group as well. So this is just as simple as this. Initially, the owner was this user, and now the owner has changed to this very user. So this is actually what ownership is all about in Linux. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share, and watch the next video in order to see another interesting tutorial. Thank you.